Hi, I'm Asrul Nasirudin. For this tutorial, I'll be using Photoshop CC 2020, but you can follow along with other versions of Photoshop starting from Photoshop CC 2015. The latest Adobe Photoshop Content-Aware field will need Photoshop CC 2020. Content-aware fill is one of the ways for you to remove unwanted parts or objects from an image. It is the fastest and automated way of removing things and can dramatically simplify the process. How does it work? Well, content-aware fill comes from a new image search algorithm called patch match. The research paper on how the algorithm works is available to read online. I'll leave the link below if that's your thing. There are many ways to remove objects in your image using Photoshop. You can use Patch tool or you can use Clone Stem tool. In order to use the tools, you need to activate the tool and sampling the area that you want it to replace. But by using Content-Aware Fill, well, you can do it automatically, almost. There are two ways on how to use Content-Aware Fill, and in this video, I will show you both ways. Here, I've loaded the image that I want to edit. You can download the image from the link given in the description to follow along. Okay, this is the first method. Here is a photo of a beach scenery with a basketball pole. This is a perfect photo for our Content-Aware Fill. Let's say I want to remove the pole at the back of the image here. First, I need to select the pole by using Lasso tool. You can click this icon here or you can use shortcut key L on the keyboard to change to Lasso tool. I will rough select the area that I want to edit. Make sure you leave a small gap between the object that you want to remove and the background. Take your time and do not rush. If you made a mistake, you can press Command Z or Ctrl Z to undo and do it again. After you're satisfied with the selection, next step is to go to the Edit, then go to Fill, and you can go to the Contents, choose Content Aware. Just leave the rest default, normal and 100% opacity, and press OK. And bam! The pole has been magically removed from the image. Awesome, right? Shortcut key for Content-Aware Fill is by pressing Shift and F5. Okay, let's try another area. I want to try and remove this one here. I want to remove one of the basketball backboard and the hoop. I'll select the area by using Lasso tool like this. Just a rough selection will do. Then go to Edit, Fill, Contents, Content Aware, and press OK. Just wait a few seconds and wait for the result. The backboard has also been removed from the image. Well, almost. As you can see here, Photoshop has done a great job of removing most part of the selected area, but it failed at this area here. How can we fix this? You can use other tools and methods to repair this easily, such as using the Clone Stem or Patch tool, or by making a new layer and overlapping it with the original one. But what I want to show you today is to remove the backboard without using other tools, only Content-Aware. How to do that? Let me undo this again by pressing Command Z or Ctrl Z if you are on Windows machine. Make sure the area is still being selected. Then go to Edit and choose Content-Aware Fill. This will give you a new user interface for Content-Aware Fill, and you will also gain access to some controllers here. This green color indicates the area that you want Photoshop to sample for the content-aware fill process, similar like a clone stamp tool. The image on the right side here is the preview of the process. Okay, so I don't want it to sample from the beach and the pool. I want it to sample only from the sky. To do that, use the sampling brush tool. We want to remove the sampling area, so make sure to turn on the negative icon. Start brushing the beach and the other backpots. Only leave the sky. You can see what's happening real time inside this preview panel. Well, it's okay, but there's a bit of discoloration here. Let's see what we can further adjust. Okay, under color adaptation, let's try and change the default to none and see what will happen. Hey, it works! A bit of disclaimer. For other photos, you might need to tinker around the settings here until you get the result that you want. After that, you can click Apply and press OK to get back to the original Photoshop interface. As you can see, Photoshop has created a new layer with a patch for the area that you selected. You can turn it off if you want to get the original image. That's it. Very simple, right? You can use content-aware fill with Adobe Photoshop CC 2015, but you will get this content-aware fill user interface only with Photoshop CC 2019 and the latest one, 2020. So make sure to check for updates if you cannot find it. That's it from me. Please like and share this video if you find it helpful, and please drop a comment below if you stumbled any problem. You can also leave suggestions on topics that you want us to cover. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tutorial. We are planning to do more mini and short tutorials like this in the future, so don't forget to click the bell notification icon so that you will get the notification when we uploaded a new tutorial. So, if you want to learn from a certified trainer and gain industry insights, you can head on to our website www.efxcoacademy.com. We offer both physical and online training, not limiting to Adobe, but a range of well-known software such as Blender, NUKE, Unity, and a lot more. Connect with us on Facebook and other social media for free webinars, latest updates, and be part of the community. See you soon!